Yes, my name is Chelsea Franklin. I am 33 years old. I am a former student of Bright Point Community College. I majored in, I have an associate's degree there from 3 years ago. I did business management, and then I got a certificate in management information systems there. I also got a certification in cybersecurity year before last, and I'm currently just finishing up for Security Plus. So I did that there. So, yeah, that's me. That's my story.
How has your experience been using uCertify?
It has been amazing. First of all, I'm a single mom and I also have ADHD, and my son, he has autism and ADHD. So, with that being said, I need something like kind of hands-on, on to go, something that will capture my attention and allow me to be able to study and do my lessons like at the palm of my hand, which is perfect because sitting down is not really a thing for me. So, my experience has been amazing. It's been very helpful, especially like due to my circumstances where I do have to go a lot, to my son's therapies, and it's just nice to be able to be in the waiting room instead of scrolling on social media. I can study. So it's been a great experience.
Did uCertify helped you improve your understanding of performance?
Yes, it was so awesome. One sometimes with having ADHD, sometimes I read and I try to sit down and focus, but then my mind just it'll start wandering after a while. I'm not gonna lie, it just wanders off. And with me having you certified, the book it has a read aloud option on there, which was great. It was so great for me because of the fact that I have a hard time just sitting down, just reading, so with me being able to work out, have things just sitting around. Even when I'm doing my dishes, it was reading the book to me, which I was able to, process everything that was going on. And if I didn't understand something, I can literally pause it and then I can rewind it back and rehear it over again. And on top of that, the glossary section was super helpful too because it has like the highlighted words there that you can just click on. And once you click on it, it tells you the definition. So that was super helpful too. I really enjoyed that part.
What kept you most engaged while using uCertify?
I would say, I would say just how it's set up all in general. It's like a one-stop shop there. It's
Mhm.
like I have everything at the palm of my hand. It's like, okay, I'm tired of reading. I don't want to read anymore. You know what? Let me try a practice lab. They have that on there. They have like the lessons on there. It was like everything that I needed. It was like a mini classroom without the professor there. It was like it was just there. Everything was just there. And I love the fact that you can personalize the app. I had mine all pretty and pink. I think it's my favorite color. That also captured my attention because I like bright colors. It's like, okay, I'm more of an artsy type of person. So that was really helpful too. So I did love that.
How easy was it for you to learn and get started with uCertify?
Yes, and it's self-explanatory. It's like once you sign in with your credentials, everything is like it's literally right there. And it did like a little step-by-step tutorial, like to show me where things was too. So that was also helpful.
Would you recommend uCertify to other students?
Absolutely. I love it. Out of all the things that I have used thus far, I feel like that one has helped me the most. Not to mention, I feel like I probably passed because of it. It's like studying is kind of hard for me, and with just being able to just sit down for a second, I'm like, let me just try this quiz really quick. Or they have pre-assessments, post-assessments. They have all types of stuff on there for me to be able to utilize. And I feel like, especially with the person who can't sit down for long periods of time, or always on the go, or even if you feel like you don't have time for school, that makes it more accessible for you to be able to do so. So, yes, I highly recommend you certify for sure.